Dealing with a silent steam wand? Don't worry. Try these checks. Ensure the water tank is full and check out our descaling video to clean the steam wand and get it steaming again. After descaling, if the steam wand still doesn't work, please follow these steps to resolve it. First, ensure the water tank is adequately filled, but not beyond the max line. Method 1. Press the on/off button and wait for a moment until all the lights on the panel illuminate. Turn the steam knob and wait for 60 minutes. If water is released during this time, it indicates that the machine is functioning properly. Method 2. Press the on/off button and wait for a moment until all the lights on the panel illuminate. Hold the single cup button for 3 seconds. Stop once water flows. After using either method to get water flowing, follow these steps to expel air from the pump. Pour out 150 to 200 milliliters of water, then press and hold the on/off button to turn off the machine. Let the water sit inside for a day. A day later, press the on/off button and wait for a moment until all the lights on the panel illuminate. Press the steam button and wait for it to turn solid white. Turn the steam knob to release steam and check if water or steam comes out. If some water or steam comes out, repeat adding water and releasing steam until normal. Wipe down the exterior with a clean cloth, and your machine is good to go.